So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about two stocks that we can add to our watch list and which may give some multi-bagger returns. So we'll discuss all the fundamentals, financials, as well as what are the technicals of these two companies. So after research only, I'm trying to present these two stocks. So your duty is to watch the stocks very well and do your own analysis and also follow the technicals that you're going to discuss today. And then if you're interested, you can invest. So I have received many messages that do a separate video series on stocks which are related to cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and the technologies which are having very bright future. So I have decided that I'll continue a separate series and discuss all the stocks which are related to this particular sector. So if you're interested, do like the videos so that I'll consistently upload the videos on this particular series. So first we'll discuss the stocks, we'll see fundamentals, and then we'll switch out to the charts to find out what would be the best level for entry. So if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so the first stock that we're going to discuss today is InfoBeans Technologies, and you can see the business of the company is primarily engaged in software development services, specializing business application development of web as well as mobile and operations. Okay, so this is the basic business of it, and various cloud computing services are also offered by it. So once you click on the website, you can have the detailed view. So if we go to the market cap side, you can see the market cap is almost around 464 crores, and you can see current price is around 193, and you can see high and low is almost around 223 as well as 85.5, and stock PE you can see it is only around 12.4. But if you compare with other IT companies, you can see PE stands at very high valuation, basically Infosys, TCS. So all these major market leaders have very high PE, but this particular company recently it is looking very good. So PE is also at a very decent level for investment. Okay, so book value is around 75.4, and you can see dividend is almost around 0.52%. So dividend also is provided. And coming to ROCE as well as ROE, you can see ROCE is around 19.6% and ROE is around 23%. So they are also very good. Okay, so coming to what are the pros and cons, you can see pros, the company has delivered good profit growth of 21.88% CAGR over the last 5 years, and cons, those are completely negligible. You can see only earnings, they are increasing. So that is around 15.31 crore. Okay, so having a peer comparison bit with other IT companies, so you can see PE stands near 12.40, but various other companies like Mapsys, Oracle, L&T Technology, so you can see those particular companies PEs are little high. Okay, so next when we compare the ROCE with other companies, so you can see Mapsys, Oracle services, so you can see those companies are delivering almost around 39.58, but this particular company is also improving, and you can see it is delivering almost around 19.60%, so that is also very good. So next, moving towards the financials, so you can see operating profit on quarter basis, we are seeing very good increment. So little fluctuations are present, but it is maintaining a very good decent level. And you can see profit before tax has also increased, and net profit also has remained very good as compared to previous quarters. But if you compare on year basis, so you can see on year basis a steady increment is present. So if you compare from 2018 2019, so on steady basis the profit as well as profit after tax, profit before tax, everything is increasing. So net profit also you can see it has increased to 37 crore, that is you can compare previous year it was only 21 crore. Okay, so these are the basic financials. So now let's go to technical charts also. We'll see the levels and then we'll switch out to the second stock. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart, and you can see this is the 1-day chart of InfoBeans, and you can see it has closed near the 193.05 level, and you can see it has showed almost 1.74% positive movement. So clearly you can see after the huge rally that it has generated in the previous sessions, again it has given a very good correction, and it is taking the support near the 190 rupees region. So the best entry in this stock would be around 180. So if you get a chance to invest, so definitely go for investing, because market also in the coming sessions may be little volatile. So if it shows any sort of correction, so try to buy near the 180 if you're interested. So money flow index also, after entering the overbought region, so it has shown a very good correction. So now let's go to the second stock and then we'll see what are the levels. Okay, the second stock that we're going to discuss today is Dynacons System and Solutions. So this is very good stock and it is performing very well. So you will also see that. So coming to business of the company, you can see it offers a wide spectrum of enterprise IT and office automation services, infrastructure, managed services, break fix services, managed print services. So these are all the various services, and you can see cloud computing services, integration, and various application development as well as maintenance services are also offered. And you can see the company has deep domain knowledge across industry sectors of technology expertise across traditional as well as new age technologies. So that is very important. So completely diversified company in the IT sector, and also you can see cloud computing services are also offered. Okay, so coming to the current market price, you can see market cap is almost around 80.5 crore, and you can see current price is also near 80, 79.4, and high and low, you can see high is almost 90.2 and low is only 15.4 rupees. Stock P is around 10.6, book value is almost 38.6, dividend also is provided, that is 0.63% is the dividend. Coming to ROCE, you can see that is 22.7%, and return on equity is around 18.3. So that is also pretty good. So coming to what are the pros and cons. So you can see company has delivered a very good profit growth of almost 54.73% CAGR, and the company on regular basis sales are also increasing, profit is also increasing. Only negative thing is that little liabilities and borrowings are present. So that is completely negligible. So next, coming to the peer comparison. So as usual, the same companies, L&T services, all these things. So you can see P is only 10.60. Okay, so if you compare with other competitors, that is if you see ROC where it stands, you can see ROC is around 22.67. So pretty good as compared to other companies also. Various market leaders are also providing only 38 to 42% of ROCE. So that is very good. So next, moving on towards the financials. So you can see operating profit is around 4.86, and you can see that has also increased very well on quarter basis. Profit before tax has also increased steadily, and coming to net profit also, it has doubled as compared to its previous quarters. That is very important. So next, coming to year on year basis also, you can see very well it has given increment. You can see previous years it was very less, but again it has maintained that particular consistency, and you can see 17 crores increment is present. Profit before tax has also increased, and net profit also has gone to 8 crores as compared to previous quarter, which was only 6 crores. So you can understand that financials are increasing, fundamentals are looking good, and related to cloud computing services as well and other various technologies. So definitely you can watch this particular stock. So now let's go to technicals as well. Okay, so coming to the technicals, you can see this is the 1 week chart, and you can see the stock has closed near the 79.40, and you can see it has given a very good movement, and you can see it is following a very good you can say uptrend. You can see the channel also a very good positive movement was seen, and here also you can see a crossover has been generated. That is, a small moving average is cutting a larger time frame moving average. So that is again a bullish indication. So that's why after that it has given a very good continuous momentum, and money flow index also you can see it is near the 82 rupees region. Okay, sorry, 82 region. So again, if it shows any sort of correction, so the best entry I can suggest you would be near the 70 or 68. So between these regions only you can try to invest. So I discussed all the financials and fundamentals of what actually it does. So if you're interested, do your separate analysis and then only invest in good decent quantity for a long term. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.